Yeah, Savlei boy, a husband, a father, a brother, a leader. This one is for Feausi Muriraki Mario. It's my brother. Born in Savlei where the trade winds blow, fourth of 13 helping dreams to grow. A humble son with a servant's heart, learning life's lessons right from the start. In 1987 you answered the call to Mumford Boys Town, giving your all, fitting and machining became your trade, building a future with the skills you made. With faith in God and strength inside, you faced each challenge with humble pride, working hard and earning your way, one faithful step every day. It's my brother, it's a Feausi. Your story still lives in our family tree. From Savlei shores to the factory floor, your legacy shines forevermore. It's my brother, rest peacefully, safe in the Father's eternity. Though heaven called and took you away, your love remains with us today. At Tropik Wood, you started small, but dedication helped you stand tall. From fitter machinist to supervisor's chair, then operations manager through hard work and care. When the sawmill stopped in the middle of the night, or the wharf systems lost their fight, even on leave they'd call your name, because they knew you'd fix the problem again. No fancy degrees for the world to see, just certificate 3 and integrity. You prove true leadership isn't a title earned, it's wisdom, commitment, and lessons learned. Yo, I still remember what you said to me: learn the trade before the degree. Start from the floor and know every machine. That's how real engineers are made unseen. You taught me to understand every part, to learn with my hands and think with my heart. So I followed the path you showed me then, at Fiji Sugar and Laudoka's mills and plants. 7 years learning the trade each day, building a future the hard-earned way. The sweat and grease became my school, living by your simple golden rule. From apprenticeship dreams to engineering goals, your wisdom helped shape my road. Diploma in mechanical engineering, plant maintenance, and advanced diploma too. Bachelor of Engineering with first-class honors, and now a master's journey nearing through. 20 years teaching future tradesmen, passing knowledge from generation to generation. Today at FNU I serve and lead, managing laboratories, workshops, and learning spaces indeed. Every achievement people see in me carries a part of your legacy. Beside you stood Mere Fanefau, a faithful partner then and now, together raising children with love and care, teaching values both of you shared. Filipe, Alick, Mua and Vikatoria too, your strength and character shining through. And now your grandchildren carry the flame, walking proudly in the Mere and Kamea name. Sometimes heaven calls its heroes home, across the waters where angels roam. Though tears may fall and hearts may ache, God never breaks the promises He makes. When I look back on the road I've come through, I see God's hand, and I see you. With family support, my wife and children near, and God's guidance throughout the years, the seed you planted continues to grow. In every life your love still shows. It's my brother, fly with the King, hear the heavenly choir sing. Your labor is finished, your race is run. Welcome home, faithful son. It's my brother, we'll carry on, keeping your memory ever strong. Through Fixia Hennessy, bro. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for teaching me that true leadership begins with service. Thank you for showing me that knowledge earned through hard work can never be taken away. Savlei remembers. Montfort remembers. Tropik Wood remembers. Your wife remembers. Your children remember. Your grandchildren remember. May your soul rest in God's eternal peace. Until we meet again. Issa, my brother. Fake say Hanisi.